Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap video, I'm going to share with you a brand new feature that is totally free for you to use, where you can now add a PayPal payment button to any landing page. And there'll be a link in the description where a bit later on in the video, I'm going to take you to the homepage of LeadsLeap, and a lot of people don't realize that even before you set up a free account, even before you join LeadsLeap, you can go onto the homepage, just click the link in the description, I'll show you a bit later on, and you can try the tools, two of these tools, before you even set up an account. So you can try them and see whether you think these tools are going to help you build your online business. So we're going to go back into my back office, and I'm going to click on this link here. It's going to take us to the official LeadsLeap blog. Now, this new feature, like the owner says here, it says it's not for everybody, but it says, I would like to clarify that our page builder is not a full-fledged e-commerce platform. It's just for simple one-time payment, which is good enough for most marketers. And the blog gives you all the instructions here how to add a PayPal button. And it's very simple. All you do is follow these diagrams here. Click arrow 1, click arrow 2. And what you're doing is you're adding a new row that's dedicated for the PayPal payment button. And it even gives you a little diagram here, and then there's a video. So this is just sort of an idea of what it's going to look like and the steps that you go through. And if we just scroll down a little bit further here, you'll see now all of this is totally editable. But if you look at the functionality here, it looks really professional. And it says here below is how the payment buttons will behave in production. So looks really professional. They're logging into PayPal. It goes through even by debit or credit card, so not just the PayPal option. Everything's nice and simple. So I think it's a really good addition. Some people, some marketers like to sell PLR products, those sort of things. So it gives you lots of options to sell different things and promote different products and services online. Now let's have a look in the back office here. Sorry, not the back office, that's the main page, the home page. And what you do is you click the link in the description and it will take you to the LeadsLeap homepage. So before you even join for free, all you do, you just scroll down here and you click on the free tools tab. So you've got free traffic, free tools, 4 ways to earn income with LeadsLeap. And you come down here, you go past the list management system, you go onto landing page builder, and all you do is click on there, and then you can have a little practice and you can try this new feature out. So it's just taking a while to load, but all you would do is go back onto the blog, just follow the instructions, and then just play around here, choose any of these templates. I've done other videos on this, but just choose any of these templates, and then all you do is that will load up the template, and there's a user guide as well on step-by-step instructions. So you click on user guide here, that goes through everything on how to use it, and on the right hand side is all your functionality on how to change everything in here. So you can just go around, you can play with this, you're not going to break anything, and you can create anything, lead capture pages, pop-up generators, you can add, you can build your lists, you can get traffic, advertise to buyers, you can use the PayPal function. Maybe you don't want to use the PayPal function, and you can just use the tools for wherever you're promoting online. So a great new feature, and sort of a try before you join. Getting the words mixed up today. A try before you join feature, which I think is really great. LeadsLeap, free to join, link in the description. It can be forever free. So I joined as a free member, and I have upgraded to Pro because I use it every day to build my online business. But you can build any business online. You've got all the tools and traffic that you need. If you advertise inside the LeadsLeap platform, you're going to be advertising to, sorry, that's a mistake there from a previous video. You're not going to be advertising to 100% buyers, but you are going to be advertising to buyers. And they also advertise externally on other sites all over the internet. I'll also give you one-to-one mentoring and support. So if you join through my link, I use LeadsLeap every single day to build my online business. So I'm aware of how things work, and I can help you with that as well. If you enjoyed the video, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. That will help support me on my YouTube journey. I'd really appreciate that. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe, and also the bell icon for my new videos. I'm doing several new videos now every single week, and we've got over 380 videos on the channel. And short video today, I'll go through the playlist section. We've got a playlist on LeadsLeap, which I'll pin to the top comment below this video. So this one here with these LeadsLeap reviews, if you want to have a look at those, then just click the playlist that's pinned to the top comment. And if you've got any questions at all on LeadsLeap, then put those in the comments and I will answer all those for you. So short video today, and thank you very much for taking the time to watch it, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.